Welcome back to Asunlocker solution. We are going to help you how can you buy the Samsung FRP tool credit. First of all, you have to go to samfrp.com, log in your account or register your account and then log in. Log in after go to asunlocker.com, log in your account. I have already login account. Order now, server service. Select the service. Type here your service name, Samsung FRP. I have show that if you type the wrong, then you cannot see the service. You have to type properly Samsung FRP. Type Samsung FRP. Then you can see the service. Select the service. Type your quantity, how much you want to buy. I want to buy 193. Then you can check your order history from server order. Order history, server order. You can see my account is already 00. Order history, server service we are checking. Order server order, you can see order pending. It may take 1 to 3 minutes till our account also 00. An order will be completed. You can see your balance on the samfrp.com or on the tool. You can see 193 credit has been sent successfully. If we check our account, you can see here the credit also added. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope this video will be helpful for you and you can buy the credit and you can do FRP by this tool. Thanks again.